pour YouTube, j'ai peur. J'ai peur, non pas parce qu'on va terminer James Bond ce soir, c'est sûr, je pense. Mais j'ai peur parce que, j'ai comme expliqué vite teuf, à ce nombre de téléspectateurs qui est égal à 0. J'ai un mec qui me fait une commande à la con. J'ai eu un coup de froid en plus. Et en fait, il va flipper quand je vais lui faire la compte, quoi. Quand je vais lui faire le devis. Et même moi, pour les impôts, je vais flipper parce qu'après, il faut que je déclare tout ça. Putain. Je sais pas comment déclarer tout ça, faudrait que je me renseigne. Que je demande à quelqu'un. Et déjà, ça va sûrement pas se conclure, hein, comme d'habitude. De toute manière, les mecs, ils arrivent comme ça, comme des petites fleurs. Ils te demandent un devis. Tu leur dis, c'est quoi votre budget? Ils font... Je sais pas, donnez-moi un devis. Et... Ok. Je leur donne un devis, ils disent plus rien. Ils ont disparu, les mecs. Ah, bon, rappelez-vous, la dernière fois, nous avons découvert que, en fait, il n'y avait pas eu de trade dans le projet 00. Et ça, c'est...
Penny, we need to round up.
Not here. Come on.
Oh, elle a l'air d'être ok sans lunettes, même mieux même. Bien que les lunettes, effectivement, ça biaise une personne. Moi, avec mes calouches, je sais que je n'ai pas la même gueule sans.
Come on, get in. I looped the security feeds in the lobby and the elevator. We don't have a lot of time.
No, we don't. They're wiping everything at Web HQ. We need to send a team over there right now.
Look, it's not that simple, James.
What?
We messed up. Going to Webb's. You don't do a thing like that without consequence.
Consequences for Webb.
He is a very powerful man.
What's wrong with everyone? First Greenway, now you.
Je vais me faire arrêter.
This is a whole different game. What he learned tonight, it changes everything for him. He doesn't deserve your anger.
Or perhaps not, but still.
What we did tonight.
Elle a bugué, elle a commencé à faire des petits zigzags.
Where are we going?
You'll see.
Sinon, du coup, j'ai commencé Spider Noir. Voilà, pour les curieux. Et bah, c'est plutôt cool.
Coffee.
Could do with a cup. No.
Mais c'est bien d'avoir enfin un Spidey qui est pas juste un Spidey gamin. Qui est en mode Barry Jane et Gwen Stacy. Là, c'est un mec qui a de la bouteille et c'est cool. Et c'est un mec qui a ras-le-bol aussi de tout. C'est un peu cool. Avoir un personnage un peu débonnaire.
Where is she? I'll talk some sense into her.
Be careful what you wish for.
Money Penny. Elle veut pas me laisser voir M parce que ce sera la merde. Ah bah la voilà.
Thank God, we don't have much time.
There's been a development. Sir Nicholas Webb sent me this. In case you're wondering, it is footage of you and Greenway assaulting Webb HQ, two of my agents rogue on British soil.
Well, that doesn't change the fact
It
that...
changes everything. He is accusing you of terrorism. He CC'd half the cabinet. As we speak, there are arrest orders with your names on them working their way through the system, and my future's not looking much brighter.
Well, we just have to show them what we found.
Oh God, don't be so naive. It's
Mais pourquoi on
one
pourrait
thing
pas?
that you broke into Web HQ. It's another that you got caught, but leaving without proof? You couldn't have botched this any worse had you tried.
But you're not handing me in.
Of course I'm not. I'm sending you on a black op to collect the irrefutable proof we need to bring down the Webbs. I am putting a lot of trust in you. Don't you dare disappoint me. Moneypenny, go and finish the mission brief. Bond, you go and see Q. You're dismissed.
Ah mais genre, on sait que potentiellement je suis suspecté de terrorisme, mais c'est ok.
I told you I'd set her straight.
Genre, tout le monde au service c'est en mode ouais bah c'est bon quoi.
It's obviously compromised.
This mission is strictly off the record, so we can't use it anyways.
MI6 needs to shut it down right now.
And then what? Em needs to play her part and aid in apprehending her rogue agents.
And Thea will assist.
Yes. However, I'm taking a few pages out of 009's playbook. I've already set up hundreds of breadcrumb trails for rogue agent James Bond on the run. That should buy us some time. Meanwhile, you, Mr. St. John Smythe, do what billionaire playboys do best. The trip booked a year ago. No one will suspect a thing.
Ok. Donc je suis un playboy milliardaire.
A luxury resort, you say? Sounds awful.
So, we know Damien is heading to Vietnam. I've managed to figure out his destination. The exclusive resort, the Pearl. According to his social media, St. John Smythe was really looking forward to his stay. But unfortunately for him, he bears a striking resemblance to you.
Ah ouais?
Some odd mix-up with the permit for his private jet is now delaying his takeoff. I dare say he will stay grounded until you send word it's safe to clear up this misunderstanding.
The Pearl. That might take some time.
Actually, it might. Without Thea, you're in for some good old-fashioned spy work.
Oui, bah après, j'ai pas eu vraiment souvent besoin d'elle. Hein. Q, mon petit déféminé, t'es où? Mon petit maniéré, pardon. Pas pareil. Viens là, mon bébou. Je vais te faire un gros bisou dans le cou avant de partir en mission. Putain, mais... à l'autre bout du monde, le con. Yo. Ça sert à rien de créer la prison pour Hulk.
In the zone, are we?
Bond. I say, great work at Webb Industries. Well, the whole business is dreadful, of course, but silver lining, finally some real failure is not an option spy work. Living by one's wits, no safety net, gets the blood flowing, no?
Right. Speaking of silver linings...
Nice try, but you won't need a car where you're going. Besides, she's not ready. I do have some gadgets lined up for you, though. Take a gander. Oh, and Waters left you a new service pistol.
Oh.
And a suppressor, just in case. Try not to lose it this time.
You know how it is, Q. Easy come, easy go.
Take a look. I'm sure you'll find something to your liking.
Stylomissile. On va reprendre la capsule fumigène. La mine flash, je la garde aussi.
Not to rush you or anything, but the police could knock at our door at any moment. Just saying.
Eh bah écoute, ce que je peux.
You take good care of us, Q.
Un flingue silencieux, let's go. Mais du coup, attends, la police, ils ont le droit de venir frapper au MI6?
Q, I've been meaning to ask. You ever heard of a ghost pattern?
I'm no expert, but I believe it's a probability paradox. When one has a large enough data set, accidental patterns emerge from the chaos. Coincidences that appear deliberate, random events that seem meaningful.
If enough people slip on banana peels, it starts to look like banana peels are out to get us.
Spot on.
So, Sir Nicholas Webb.
Fine line between genius and madness.
Ouais, il a pas l'air fou, hein.
Company excluded, of course.
Of course. How did we not realize that Webb was covering up Thea's mistakes?
Confirmation bias, I suppose. We saw what we expected to see.
Mm.
Thea was supposed to be infallible, so no one searched too hard for evidence to the contrary. Thea made us complacent and risk-averse. Hopefully this whole sad affair will serve as a wake-up call.
You really are a glass-half-full person, aren't you?
Well, depends on what's in the glass.
C'est une très bonne réponse.
Give a
Noël de
look on
Greenway.
He was in a rough spot when I last saw him.
Greenway knows our playbook front to back. If he doesn't want to be found, there's not much we can do about it. Look, Greenway has had the rug pulled from under him. Give him some space.
Well, I'm ready to head out.
Front gate's too risky. You'll need to take the sewer exit.
The sewer.
Can't be helped, I'm afraid. Let me get the door for you. There. It's right through the wind tunnel.
Au moins, c'est
Watch
cool
out
qu'il
for
soit avec nous.
David Line. Only kidding.
Right.
Good luck, Bond.
Merci,
Sorry
mon grand.
about the shoes.
T'inquiète. Ça se rachète une paire de chaussures. Pas comme une entité et...
So, tell me, James,
chose.
are you familiar with the scientist Benjamin Quan?
Quan. I read about him, I think. Some kind of green energy pioneer?
Full marks. Neutrino voltaic energy research. Sadly, he died last month in Singapore under ambiguous circumstances.
Mhm.
3 weeks later, a solar geoengineering specialist died in Orlando, Florida. Circumstances equally ambiguous.
Dare say a pattern emerges.
Indeed. Thea flagged these seemingly unconnected deaths as consistent with the MO of an elusive terrorist, Caliban, a rabid extinctionist who believes that mankind is a cancer on the planet that needs to be purged.
Sounds
Okay.
delightful. Safe to say this Caliban is not too keen on scientific progress. What's it got to do with Webb?
Here's the kicker. According to Interpol, Caliban's charred remains were recovered from a Mexican landfill. And according to forensics, he's been dead for months. Now, if this is true,
It means Thea made another blunder.
another ghost pattern, yes. We believe Damien is in Vietnam to cover up this latest mistake. Likely, he plans to stage a copycat killing, making it look like Caliban is very much alive and kicking.
Okay.
Thea's original conclusion. Who's the target?
I'm afraid we don't know. That part is up to you.
Let's go! L'eau est belle. Ah ouais, mais en plus, genre, j'arrive en hors-bord, quoi. Excusez du peu. Oh putain! Je ne suis pas personne! J'aimerais bien avoir un frère jumeau que je connais pas et qui me connaît pas et qui soit riche. Et que je sois au courant qu'il existe et lui non. Et du coup, je l'usurpe à chaque fois qu'il va en vacances ou quoi que ce soit.
All right, time for a little Q&A. Who are we playing today, James?
Smythe. St. John Smythe.
And what do we do for work?
We run our own company. A same-day courier service called Go Get It. Launched it a year after turning our back on the music business.
Why would we do such a thing?
Too many arseholes and egos.
Lovely. And Vietnam?
Once a year, we hop on a plane and venture somewhere to recharge our creative juices. This year, when the dice rolled, Vietnam came up.
Okay. I'd buy it.
That's because I'm selling it so well.
Time to die!
There's the pier.
Mourir ne peut attendre.
Time to get in character.
Aïe! Vous êtes beaucoup, hein?
Welcome to the Pearl, Mr. St. John Smith.
That's St. John Smythe, my dear.
Of course. The staff and I are very pleased to have you with us. This way, sir.
D'accord.
You smarmy git.
Well, you told me to get into character.
Well, you are a natural, James.
That's Mr. Smythe to you, my dear. I'm just getting started. Decent.
Et là, je lui mets une grosse balle dans la tête.
Your villa is this way. We pride ourselves
Ah oui.
on exclusivity and discretion here at the Pearl. I'll need you to sign the ledger.
Pas besoin de lever les jambes si haut. Hein.
Your arrival here.
I need eyes on that ledger.
Of course.
One more thing. There's a package waiting for you inside your villa. It arrived this morning.
Ok.
Enjoy your time at the Pearl, Mr. Smythe.
I most certainly will.
You are a little too good at that.
At what?
Being a bit of a bellend.
Ah, what can I say? Just seems to come naturally.
Et c'est juste drôle. Il y a des gens, ils se plaignent, ils sont en mode, gna, 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 gna. Elle parle mal, mais ça va, elle est tranquille. C'est de la taquinerie au bout d'un moment, les gens. Alors. Ouvrir le colis de cul.
What is it?
Just open it.
Ah. Oh.
Q-Track, a smart bug, designed to protect assets in the field.
That's new.
Once inside the bloodstream, it tracks location, heart rate, and vital signs for up to 24 hours, before it's then broken down by the body.
Et les lunettes.
And the glasses?
Q glasses. They see everything, recording it back here at MI6.
So you see what I see.
Yep. I get to live vicariously through you for the next 24 hours.
But why?
Once you get eyes on the potential targets, I can confirm it's them through the glasses.
Wonderful.
Pop them on. We're live.
Good stuff. And yes, I am this handsome.
Là, je sortirais peut-être une couille histoire de me marrer un coup.
Fogging up the lens.
Touché.
Right. Enough tech talk. I need to calibrate the glasses. Shush buds. Always wanted a pair of those.
Well, if you're lucky, I'll bring you back a pair.
Whoa.
Hmm.
That's beautiful.
Ouais, c'est pas mal, hein.
Something else, right?
Putain, en vrai, t'es tellement bien, là. C'est un peu dingus, quoi. Et je suis sûr que qu'il y a des endroits comme ça qui existent dans le monde. Et vu que je suis un pauvre, un prolo, je ne le sais jamais. Je ne le saurai jamais.
To keep things open here.
Okay, glasses calibrated. Time to get eyes on that ledger, so we can find out who it is Webb is here to kill.
Ok. Banner de gland.
Moneypenny? Eyes on Damien yet?
Traced him to an airport in Farnborough. Boarded a private plane to Singapore with 5 other men that I haven't been able to identify.
Ok, il est avec ses 5 mecs, là. De toute façon, il est en l'air, bien seul.
If you'd like to follow me, Mr. Smythe, reception is this way.
So, what do people do for fun at the Pearl?
Depends. Some guests prefer to simply just be during their time here. We also
Bah, ça a l'air nul de méditer dans un endroit pareil.
Which is very popular with our guests. It completely realigns the body's spiritual energy.
Sounds intense. I won't cry, will I?
Many do.
I think I'd rather repress.
Non, mais tu
Here we
te
are.
baignes, tu te balades.
Reception is right over there. My colleague will help you get signed in.
Doubt you'll have too much trouble doing that in the Emperor Villa.
Eh bah tiens.
Tell me you're not checking out.
I'm being upgraded, actually.
Of course you are. You must be important.
Very.
The Emperor Villa will be ready shortly. Please make yourself comfortable while you wait.
Oh, I'll do that, thank you.
I didn't catch your name.
I didn't give it.
Attractive mystery woman 1, St. John Smythe. Nil. Eyes on the ledger, James.
Right, yeah. Ledger. On it. Afternoon. Here to sign the ledger. Make my stay official.
Mr. Smythe, we've
Oula.
been expecting you.
Give it a flick through, so I can get a look at names.
Sign here, please.
Got what I need. Running a check.
All done. Enjoy your stay with us. sir.
Merci madame, au revoir
You don't have
madame.
to tell me twice.
Okay, got 3 profiles that fit Caliban's MO. Ramon Hernandez, billionaire philanthropist. Geneticist Teresa Lorca, who you just met. And Ellis White, bit of a rock star scientist.
Let's go find our 3 potentials.
Faut que je trouve des gens.
Yeah, and then watch them quietly implode. Can't wait for that.
Bon, on va essayer de trouver madame... madame à la poitrine... pas mal.
I have to keep checking my hand and asking myself.
Le visage n'a pas l'air aussi bien que la poitrine malheureusement, mais bon.
Don't use the dart or laser on anyone we need to bug. They can interfere with the Q-Track's functionality.
Q doesn't want me to have any fun.
Ok. Pas de laser, pas de dodo.
The water's like glass and the air actually smells clean. I'm telling you, even the towels feel like they're worth more money than my cars. It's easy to forget about bills, emails, and the rat race back in London here. Just sun, sea, and someone topping up your drink before you even notice it's low.
Oh, you'll love this. One of them came over when you were in the bathroom. Invited me to come to a party at the Ocean View Bar with his famous friend, Ellis White. Looked him up. Apparently, he's a big deal in the eco-science world.
I hope you told him to get lost.
White is at the Ocean View Bar. Marked it for you on your Q lens.
Thanks.
Bah c'est parti. Ocean Bar.
Hey, been told to tell you, Ellis White's been cut off. I heard. Management call it down, and it's about time too.
Can't come this way, bro.
Pourquoi?
Mate's throwing a bit of a jaw. If you don't have an invite, can't let you in.
Of course. I probably left it in my suite. I'll go and fetch it.
That was interesting. Who makes flyers as invites for a private party?
Ellis White, apparently. And one with a distinct lack of drinks.
Speaking of which, I'll go see if I can order us some. Oh, hi. What?
Listen to me.
Pardon me. Nothing personal.
Ok, c'est good.
I don't care if I promised you the day off.
C'était très simple. Je sais pas si le timing était fait pour, mais c'était un peu simple.
Inside yourself. I need you. This is your job. Assist.
That's our target, Ellis White.
A man likes a drink. Q-Track still works if he swallows it, right?
You read my mind.
You know what else? I bring an energy to this place.
I don't think so.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Nobody just walks up to you on admission, bro. VIP only.
You lost, man? Private party.
St. John Smythe. Big fan. It sounds like you got yourself a drink problem.
I manage. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, the bar. Apparently, my friends and I have been bothering some of the other guests, so they shut us down.
Oh, maybe I can help.
Maybe you can. I misplaced the keys to the minibar, and I'm getting thirsty.
Ok.
Would you mind taking a walk with my pal Jonty here to go fetch a new set? He'll show you where. Do that, I'm all yours. What do you say?
Happy to.
My man. Jonty, you're up.
Can't believe I'm doing this. Babysitting the fanboy. Why am I stuck walking you and those tiny shorts to the bar?
Mais il faut se calmer, monsieur. Salut, Jump.
Just point me and my shorts in the right direction.
My man.
Easy for you to say, bro. I tried getting them earlier. Staff caught me. Made a total scene. They wanted to throw me out only for Ella stepping in. So, anyway, go you.
Ça va, Jump? Ah, je me prends un coup de barre, là.
The key's in the storage room behind the bar. Go get that bar key, buddy. I'll be right here waiting for you.
Ok, ok, attends-moi ici, hein. Petit con, va. Ok, il faut une carte d'accès, super.
Remember the time he called that sous chef a donkey? That was a hoot.
Donkey!
Let's see what sort of treats he comes up with for the menu.
Oh, qu'est-ce qui se passe là-bas?
Sorry, sir. Staff only.
Ah, c'est quoi cette petite voix toute mignonne? T'as déjà la fin du jeu? Yes, ça va, j'ai juste pas pu récupérer. Oui, c'est vrai que t'avais dit ça. Je lis, mais je réponds pas à tes trucs. Ah. Mais ouais, je suis sur la fin du jeu. Après, il y a plein de défis et des trucs à faire. Hein, genre les gens qui se plaignent en mode « Hey, il fait que 12 heures le jeu !» En fait, non. En réalité, t'as plus de contenu que ça, mais classique people, quoi.
I'll take all the wine, please. You know you're going to have to get rid of the barman first.
I know. Time to order off menu.
« 12 heures si tu le fais en ligne droite, quoi. » Ouais, c'est ça. Mais en fait, t'as genre des missions annexes, et au sein de chaque mission, t'as le moyen de faire un 100% en fait. Et t'as des défis en mode le faire sans se faire voir, etc.
You don't carry it. Well, if you don't produce that bottle, I can make one phone call and you'll be looking for a new job tomorrow. Now off you pop.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
There he is. Snide Smythe.
Allez. Tout. Ouais, j'aurais pu faire sauter le truc de là.
Every night since they've been here, it's the same thing. The American and his gang of friends drunk, making so much noise. I've had so many guests ask me to do something about it, but I can't. Management tolerates it because he's spending so much money to be here. The man could set the place on fire and they still...
Mais ouais, t'as d'autres modes où en gros tu dois faire telle ou telle mission.
At least they shut the bar down. It was getting out of hand. What was that?
Et t'as encore d'autres trucs où dans l'émission en fait t'as des défis. Genre si par exemple là je vais... Là j'ai pas les défis là. Combat instinct, etc. Non, je vais pas les défis. Bref, il y a des tas de défis à faire.
Sorry, sir. Staff only, please.
Ah pardon, je m'étais trompé, je m'étais paumé.
Got them. Nice. Let's head back to the guys. Pretty smooth work getting those keys. I'm not gonna lie.
Je pense qu'ils attendent là. Ouais, je pense que si tu fais vraiment tout le contenu, tu les as.
Wasn't that hard to get them?
Yeah. Anyway, I was wrong. Respect. You might just fit right in with us.
Thanks. I think.
Et puis aussi, t'as tout ce qui est l'expérience en elle-même, tu vois.
Yo, party people! The key masters have returned.
My guys! All right, let's get our drink on. Ladies, bar's open. Come on over and join us for...
All right, folks. The bar is open. What'll it be?
Something that kicks hard like a mule. I'm sobering up here.
Yeah,
you and me both.
Un americano?
How about an Americano?
You're shitting me, right? I don't want a coffee. I said something that kicks like a mule.
What's this guy's problem? Why would he want
Un
How
rhum.
about a rum Collins?
I'll pass. Not a rum fan. What else you got for me?
Tequila?
I do make a mean tequila slammer.
Read my mind.
now that's more like it,
One
Rude.
slammer for Mr. Magnetic coming up.
Catchy, right? Crux coined that one. I'm actually trying to copyright it at the moment. Wasn't too keen on it at first, but my new lady friend over there, she digs it, if you know what I mean.
Oh, I bet she does.
Attends, je vais te droguer 5 secondes, t'inquiète.
It's like shooting fish in a barrel here. It's like bang, bang, bang. Then back to my villa for X-rated wrestling. You get what I'm saying, bro, right? I don't need to spell it out for you.
No, I think I get the picture.
I want to punch him so hard right now.
Me too.
Me too what?
From me to you. One tequila slammer.
To my new friend, Smythe. It is true what they say. Not all heroes wear capes.
Allez, c'est bien, dégage, Bourlos, bois ton coup.
Q-Track is live. You can get out of there now.
Time for me to shoot. Remember, drink responsibly.
No chance. Jonty, you're up. Plant yourself behind.
Pour cette carte postale, hop, elle est pas à moi. Bon, allez, on va voir Madame Maillot de Bain.
Two to go.
Damien's boarded a commercial flight to Halong Bay. Tickets were booked under aliases. It's a 4-hour journey.
And I better find and bug the rest of our targets.
En vrai, ils sont rapides, les mecs, genre... enfin, ils sont pas rapides, genre... Je suis parti après eux, presque. Parce que là, bien sûr, on est en mode Black Ops, on n'est pas autorisé à faire quoi que ce soit. Hein.
Working late, and I'm trying to get the Emperor Villa ready for Miss Loka. She's over at the Serenity Space waiting on us to finish up.
Serenity Space. Sounds like a fancy name for the bathroom.
Let's hope not.
And I appreciate it.
Anyway, it's in the center of the resort.
Perhaps another time.
Allez, sinon, Jam, tu racontes quoi tu joues à quoi en ce moment, là? C'est quoi? Tu vas lancer un Everything is Scrap? Tu vas faire autre chose? C'est quoi ta dose? Moi, j'avoue qu'après James Bond, je pense qu'on fera du Cuphead. Histoire de 100% le truc. Et je pense que je vais faire plus que des jeux à tryhard. Genre des jeux où on s'en fout, quoi. Les jeux à histoire, c'est un peu plus compliqué en live, je trouve.
That's her, Teresa Lorca. What's your plan?
Get close and apply it on her skin.
I'm sorry, Mr. Smythe, but the Serenity Space is full at the moment.
I can have someone fetch you as soon as a spot becomes available.
I'll come back later.
Of course.
Pas grand chose, j'étais sur Overwatch, j'ai lancé Everything is Scrap puis j'ai chopé la flemme. Ok.
This seemed very odd.
Et donc là, j'ai mis la musique pour que eux ils partent. Et toc, je peux rentrer. Parce que en fait, j'ai vu un short passer avec ça.
A space just opened, sir. You can come on in.
Good timing, eh? Thanks.
J'aimerais bien me relancer libre train, c'est chiant. Ouais, je vois ce que je fais dire. Je comprends. Bonjour madame. Les gens se branlent sur vous toute la journée, il faut savoir. On sait pas trop pourquoi, vous êtes juste une femme, mais... Ça, c'est les gamers, quoi.
Thanks. You again?
Genomic analysis of Marinobacter and its role in alginate biosynthesis.
Yeah, I'm in genetics. It's boring science stuff, Mr.
Oh, comment ça, il meurt?
Names now.
Hein? Qui meurt?
John.
Teresa.
Ah, ok, ok, je comprends ta vanne, ferme ta gueule.
Try me.
Okay then. You asked for it. Well, algae are inherently more efficient at carbon removal than terrestrial plants. Their entire surface is dedicated to the act of photosynthesis.
They absorb as much carbon as all the plants and trees on land combined.
Someone was paying attention in biology class.
Only to the parts that mattered most.
So, there's this particular strain of algae called Chlorella vulgaris that absorbs more CO2 than any
Elle était faussement technique. Oui.
That's why I'm here at the convention. To secure funding for this.
Elle était plutôt tarabiscotée, je dirais.
Which will be our most potent weapon against climate change.
Oh.
Potentially.
That's simple, huh?
Et donc, toi, t'es pour aider l'écologie, etc. Du coup, tu tapes des voyages au Vietnam à des prix exorbitants, avec un taux de carbone exorbitant, parce que t'es sûrement venu en jet privé vu que t'es une richou. Et t'es en mode, l'écologie, il faut faire quelque chose. Ok, ok.
How about another?
The Emperor Villa is ready for you, Mom.
They've got a habit of doing that, haven't they? Perhaps another time?
I'll hold you to it.
I should hope so. See you around, John.
All right, Romeo, snap out of it.
Bon, t'as réussi à la droguer ou pas? Est-ce que c'est bon, on peut la follow?
Jesus, James. Really?
Because she's a scientist.
Your new lady friend, Teresa Lorca, now tracked and in the system.
Now, time to find Ramon.
Ok. Elle aurait pu ramasser tous ses papiers quand même. Bon. Bah nickel. Vas-y, vas-y. Vas-y, dis-moi les indices. Qu'est-ce qui n'est pas une bonne idée?
And ask for a meeting with Hernandez. He might not see it like I do. I'll try to corner him at the party tonight. I'll keep you posted.
Bingo. Ramon's in the Hung
Putain, ils vont vendre 2 copies, quoi, c'est terrible.
Anywho, Ramon's villas on the same side of the resort as yours.
Ah mais attends, je viens d'où, moi? 70 € le jeu. Oui, bah voilà, ils vont vendre 2 copies et demie, et puis voilà. Et ils vont faire « Ah putain, les adaptations manga, ça marche pas bien !» En fait, non, il va y avoir des pigeons qui vont acheter, c'est sûr. Juste, c'est pas un MMO. Ouais. Ouais, t'as vraiment envie de jouer à un MMO Sword Art Online?
Private security. Could be Ramon's place.
Just thinking that myself.
Something I can do for you?
Good afternoon. I'm here to see Mr. Hernandez.
He's busy.
And it's important.
So is his yoga appointment.
Which is exactly why I'm here.
Where's the one from yesterday?
He quit. He got bent out of shape over something.
He took Mr. Hernandez's blue yoga mat after their session. He won't do yoga without it.
I'll go and fetch it and be right back. The sooner we can get Mr. Hernandez feeling sensational, the better.
Now we know where he is. The Hung Villa.
Need to get my hands on that mat. We'll find another way in.
Putain.
James, the yoga center is inside the Tranquility Cave.
Got it. On my way.
L'univers classique était sympa, le principe de l'avancement est cool, mais oui, ça reste vanilla plus. Ah, c'est surtout que même en dehors de ça, le truc il raconte pas grand chose, quoi. C'était juste en mode, bah ok, y a un mec, il est trop fort.
Whoa. You might want to take a look at that stress aura around you.
Thanks, you look great too.
I feel really uncomfortable around all that security he brings with him when he stays here. There's just so much aggression flowing through the villa. It throws my chakras off. Oh, do you know what happened to Hernandez's yoga mat? Yes, that one. The garish bright blue one. He's insisting I bring it, but Kung took the session yesterday at the Hung Villa, and I can't seem to get hold of him. Story true? Thanks. The party?
On est dans une saucisse.
I'll see you there.
I'll be putting this to better use than you would anyway.
Hop, je lui file une petite chiasse alsacienne.
What are you up to?
Improvising yet another role.
James, you there? Have some info on Hernandez.
I'm all ears.
From what I can
Pourquoi il y a de la grosse musique débile là?
see, his life. He's not one to back down, and clearly he doesn't give a damn who he pisses off.
I like him already.
Pourquoi il y avait une grosse techno boom boom dégueulasse là? Attendez, qui c'est qui m'envoie un message? Non, c'est parce que j'envoie des mèmes à la con à ma copine par rapport à James Bond. Et du coup, elle réagit. Donc c'était pas très important. C'est juste drôle. La séance de yoga.
No need to ask me twice to do a downward dog.
Leave the man candy alone, Babs. This is not that kind of place.
It's whatever I want it to be, hun. I'm paying enough for it.
Ladies?
Je vous entends, hein. Tu veux faire la chienne, hein, c'est ça, hein. Putain.
Good afternoon. I'm here for Mr. Hernandez's yoga.
Going through.
Nice work.
That was easy.
How about a discount? I'll show you how to shoot a gun.
Guns don't really align with my spiritual values.
J'ai un plus gros gun que toi, parce qu'il a un silencieux. Pour ça. Oula. Bonjour, monsieur Hernandez.
Come on, Hernandez!
Don't you move. Please!
Who the hell are you?
Now relax. I'm not here to cause trouble.
That's him, James.
Keep your hands where we can see them.
Not so sure this was a good idea.
You better have a good reason to be here.
I'm with MI6. We believe your life is in danger.
Wrong. It's your life that's in danger.
Help me out, Moneypenny.
Whoever you're talking to,
Agua
say your
Verde.
goodbyes.
Tell him we know about Agua Verde.
Agua Verde. We know about your connection to Agua Verde.
Stand down. You have 30 seconds.
The terrorist Caliban. We think you're his next target.
I'm always somebody's next target.
Ça servait à rien de se déguiser en mec de yoga.
Call me James. And it wouldn't have because I wouldn't have been able to give you this. Swallow it. Allows us to track you and your vitals for 24 hours.
And after 24 hours?
You piss it out, I stop the bad guys and we all go home.
Give it here. Now if you'll excuse me, I need a cigarette to calm my nerves.
T'inquiète, tout meilleur, je me casse, moi.
Mi casa es su casa, James.
Non, mais je vais pas abuser de votre hospitalité, je vais juste prendre un peu tout ce qui...
Will we see you at the festivities tonight?
Wouldn't miss it for the world. By the way, believe this yoga mat is yours.
Gracias, James.
Caliban. What do you know about him?
Terrorist, fanatic, master assassin. Believes people like your boss are a cancer on the planet and should be purged. Real charmer.
Sounds it.
Ok, bah si c'est tout. Eh bah écoute, à la prochaine mon gars. Bien content d'avoir fait affaire. Le mec, je suis rentré chez lui, je lui ai dit, je suis du MI6 et je suis là pour vous tracer. Et il a fait, oh bah très bien, ça me va. Brave Ramon.
You forgot your gear.
Yoga life's not working out. Too much of a stretch.
All Q-Treks alive. Lorca, Hernandez, and White all present and accounted for.
Hey, Moneypenny. Where are Damien and his men now?
On the ground at Halong Bay. I'm tracking 2 SUVs that met his group at the airport. They're about a 3.5-hour drive out from you. That means you have 3.5 hours to prepare.
Perfect. I've got some time to kill.
Une dernière chose. Ok. Et ben on va faire une dernière chose.
They do it for the romance and the drama. I overheard 2 guests describe it perfectly last night.
Putain, en vrai, tu sais, là on est en mode waouh, c'est paradisiaque et tout, mais en vrai, tout ce bordel de jungle autour, ça doit être truffé de bestioles, frère. Insectes et tout ce que tu veux, mon gars.
What are you doing?
Yes, sir?
Cocktail, please. Surprise me.
James, what are you playing at?
I'm taking a moment.
Are you serious? Damien's en route. We need to be ready.
Who says I'm not?
C'est ça.
Of course you are. Why wouldn't you be?
Ramon took that Q-track pretty quickly. What did you have on him?
Agua Verde was a waste recycling outfit caught dumping pollutants into South American rivers 20 years ago. Poisoned hundreds of residents. His younger brother Raoul set up the deal. Thought he was making a...
Ah, et sinon, Jumper, comme j'expliquais en début de live, j'ai regardé, je crois, 2 épisodes de Spider Noir et j'aime beaucoup pour l'instant. Je trouve que c'est très cool ce que ça propose. Et je regarde en noir et blanc, si jamais.
Compensating the family's medical care and expenses over the last 2 decades.
Jesus.
J'aime beaucoup le côté débonnaire de Nick Cage.
If Damien's gonna copy Caliban, how are they gonna explain the dead body in the Mexican landfill?
The corpse was taken to a morgue in Sinaloa for autopsy. There were reports of a fire that same night. The fire chief's report from the station said it was just a fault with the alarm system.
Damien?
Very likely he sent a cleanup crew in to cover up their tracks.
Eh ben...
Moneypenny, I never get the chance to ask. How are you holding up?
Christ. Okay, let's see. Bright is gunning for M's head. The 00 program is on the verge of being shuttered for the 2nd time. And... oh yes, almost forgot. You and Greenway are terrorists, according to Sir Nicholas Webb. Other than that, I'm peachy. Right, since we're sharing, let's do you. How are you doing?
Et j'ai start en black and white, après j'ai pas eu le temps de finir le premier épisode cette semaine. Mais dis donc. Tu te la touches?
Here you go, sir. We call it Folking Chump. The perfect infusion of heritage and creativity.
Sounds delightful. Chin chin, Moneypenny.
James, something's wrong. It's Lorca. I think she's in trouble. Her heart rate's spiking and her oxygen levels are falling through the floor. Get to her suite.
Ah bah super.
On the way.
Attends. Hop, voilà, c'est bon. Tu sais, ça se trouve, elle... Ça se trouve, elle fait juste de l'apnée.
46. Move faster. What the hell is going on? I don't know, but it's still dropping. 35 now. Something's really wrong, James.
No shit. I'm almost there.
Maybe there's some sort of an emergency.
Blocked.
Up there.
Oh.
Oh, she's fine.
She certainly is.
Mais du coup, peut-être barre-toi. Parce que techniquement, tu t'introduis chez elle, là, en gros.
John?
Drinking alone was never my forte.
Well, I didn't realize you were this thirsty.
Parched, actually.
What the fuck?
You were free diving.
Sors ta bite, hein.
Yeah, being a marine biologist comes in handy.
Oh, what's your number?
Chasing a 6 at the moment.
6. Very impressive.
People think it's all about the lungs, but it's all in the mind.
Pas sûr, hein.
Easily made.
So, what can I get you? You seem the kind of guy who knows what he likes. So let me guess, you don't like it too sweet. You don't like it too complicated. You like it straight up.
I've been known to experiment.
Audio. James. Still on. Tea time.
Moi j'aurais eu la même réaction. T'imagines, t'imagines tu follow Batman, tu sais, et soudainement il se met à baiser. Donc t'es en mode. Ok. Ok. Voilà, vous voyez que c'est pas woke. Il baise une femme. Non. Ah merde. Oh la tenue. Pourquoi le pantalon noir du coup?
You sure Q got the measurements right?
I'll be the judge of that. Put the glasses on. Let me see.
T'as pas bien assez vu tout à l'heure, Moni Penny, si je peux me permettre?
Well?
Oh, very dapper. Give us 12.
Piss off.
Aren't you missing something? The bow tie?
Je me suis acheté un nouveau nœud papillon. Parce que j'ai un mariage moi samedi. Ah bah si, le nœud papillon. Et en fait, c'est un nœud papillon explosif.
I don't suppose Q included instructions.
How on earth did you make it through boarding school without tying one?
It's complicated.
Shall I get Q on the line?
Please do. Q? Help me out here, would you?
Relax, Bond. It's a bow tie, not C4. All right.
Vraiment là?
One end ever so slightly longer than the other.
You people and your vague measurements.
Pay attention, please.
Yes, sir.
There we are. Now, we're off to the races.
It would appear so.
Now, fold the short end to create our first bow shape. After that, drape the longer end over the center, nice, clean and even, please.
You know, I've disarmed bombs less complicated than this.
Eh, j'ai failli pas trouver le X.
Nicely done. Now you're getting it.
Oh, look at you, saving the world, one wardrobe malfunction at a time.
J'espère que mon nœud papillon sera plus facile à mettre.
Bow. Fold that longer end to mirror the first. You'll see a small loop forming behind the front bow. Take the folded end, push it through the loop. Steady now. Don't panic, blow the whole thing.
Right, no panic. Just a growing sense of humiliation. Listen, if anyone asks, I was never trained for this.
Our lips are sealed. Right, Moneypenny?
Absolutely. Sealed shut. Rooting for you here,
Le mec, il assume pas savoir faire un nœud papillon. Par contre, déglinguer de la random avec un beau cul en live chat avec le son, ça le gêne pas quoi.
On both sides to tighten the knot. And once you do that, tug the loose end to even it out. We're aiming for slight asymmetry here, more character. Looks less like a cheap clip-on.
Which would have been easier, by the way.
Lastly, ensure the knot is nice and firm, and that's it. You're done.
And people say field ops are stressful.
Legit move. Legit. Allez, moi j'aurais plus honte qu'on me regarde baiser que ne pas savoir mettre un nœud papillon. Bon, je sais pas le faire. Donc Après, si derrière on me dit belle bite, en vrai, je suis prêt à me sacrifier.
Impeccable service.
right. Let's get to it.
On parie qu'en combien de temps ça va partir en couille. Dossier officiel du MI6 sur le terrorisme Caliban. Je vais juste chercher une pastille pour la gorge, enfin pour la bouche, parce que j'aime bien sucer. Ah, mes courbatures d'enfoiré! Putain! Ah, ça nique! Ah la vache, les jambes! Mais je prends toujours dans les jambes. En même temps, c'est ce que je bosse le plus. Je fais du cardio, donc je prends dans les jambes, putain! J'ai mal quand je marche. J'ai mal, Jumper. Après, si on a mal, ça veut dire que ça travaille. Donc c'est bien. Et ça veut aussi dire que j'ai pas fait les bons exercices à la fin. Pour pas que ça me fasse mal.
Be serious. Damien and his men are on their way.
We've got this. Once I'm in the restaurant, we'll get eyes on Ramon and Ellis. You keep tabs on their movements, and I'll watch over Lorca for the evening.
Ah, t'aimes bien veiller sur Lorca, hein? Devient M, la douleur c'est du plaisir. En vrai, faut penser à l'étirement de fin de séance sacré de ouf. Ouais, je sais. Mais je sais pas quoi faire comme étirement.
Lorca, her heart rate is...
Mr. Bond is here, gentlemen.
I feel safer already.
Still a bit sore, are we?
He'll be fine. Isn't that right, Pablo?
Yes, sir.
James, I think you need to get to the Emperor Villa. Now.
Ramon, gents, enjoy your evening.
You know, they say this island...
What's got you spooked?
Lorca's heart rate's through the roof. Listen, she's not alone. Ellis White is with her. You don't think...
No, I don't. Something's wrong. Damien's SUV, where is it now?
Hang on.
Ok.
Come on, Moneypenny, where is he? Where's Damien?
1 second. Looks like they've stopped. Pulling up nearby CCTV to get a better look. Shit. It's not Damien. I've been tracking the wrong SUVs.
Ah bah super, Monipédi, t'avais qu'un job. Hein.
It's quiet. Too quiet.
Et comment ça devient M, Jumper?
Damien's?
Yeah. They're here.
Be careful, James.
Genre M? Quoi? Bah Mazou. Ah mais tu sais qu'on joue à James Bond, donc littéralement le chef de service ou l'achat de service s'appelle M quand même.
What was that? Baz. Baz, you there? Stop mucking about. He's shooting at us!
Any ideas?
Got the blueprints of the villa in front of me. It looks like... Yes, there's a way in through the roof.
Je suis un culte sorry. Bah c'est pour ça que j'étais en mode quel rapport avec M?
Jesus, James, be careful. He's right on top of you.
Can you not do that?
Sorry.
Donc du coup, tu peux comprendre que ça me paraissait bizarre comme phrase. Souvenez-vous, dans l'infiltration, tuer tout le monde n'est pas forcément la solution. Qu'est-ce qu'il nous fait, lui? Qu'est-ce qu'il nous fait, la Tortue Ninja, là? Elle casse les couilles. Hein? Bon, les autres ont pas capté qu'il y avait un problème, donc tant mieux.
On the stairs to the roof.
Yep, I see them.
I hear ya. Target spotted! On the stairs! Take a break for it. I'll kill you.
Attends, là, juste un instant, monsieur. Attendez. Voilà. Ça va mieux. J'aurais pu faire ça de manière plus discrète, je pense.
I can hear footsteps on the stairs. On the stairs.
Elle est où la meuf? Ok.
Hello, what's this? What's the American doing here?
Came round looking for a booty call. Didn't go the way he'd hoped.
He doesn't fit the narrative. The real Caliban never allowed for collateral damage.
Nobody's perfect.
How many times? My father is adamant that the validity of Thea's conclusion is not questioned. Are you dumb? Look at me. Are you an idiot?
Hmm.
You make him disappear. All right? The boys in ops will patch up the loose ends. Go. And Nico, bring Loki to the side. I think it's time we set things in motion.
Eh bah écoute.
Tell me you got that.
Effectivement, elle était loadée.
Enough.
It'll have to be. Now go get the girl.
Not yet. They'll kill Ellis.
You can't save them all, James.
I can sure as hell try.
Ok.
Need to find Ellis.
Found him. He's on the lower floor. Watch your step, Bond. It's a full house down there.
Good. I like those odds.
Show yours. He's right.
On m'a pas encore vu.
Hey, I hear you. Surrender yourself.
Viens me chercher? Non, il vient pas me chercher. Merde, c'est les chiottes.
Somebody's injured over there. He's shooting us.
Je vais sauter dans la flotte. Merde.
What's going on?
Mais gros, comment ça? T'as pris tout ça dans la gueule et t'es encore bien.
Move to the next floor. You need to get downstairs. Shortcut to the basement
I've
there.
got a visual. In the courtyard.
Merde.
There. Ellis is on the other side of that door.
Locked.
Well, kick it down then.
Knock knock.
Il est déjà dead?
Over. This is Indigo 1. Moving target into position now. Over.
Non.
What the hell are you doing, Smythe? You with them? Put the bottle down. I just saved your life.
What the hell have you done with Teresa?
Oh putain.
For wasting a perfectly good bottle of wine.
Finally. James, Lorca's on the move. Location marked on your Q-lens.
Ça marche, à plus, Jump. Dors bien. Ok, déjà 22h. C'est-à-dire que j'ai pas lancé tôt en même temps.
More target practice.
How thoughtful of them.
Tiens, toi. Toi ensuite. Et voilà. Bon, ça s'est très mal passé en fait. Non mais attends, ils ont investi en fait toute la zone. Cette bande de cons. Après là, y a pas de timing, donc moi je bourre comme un con, mais c'est parce que dans l'idée, je suis censé être rapide. J'ai pas le temps de faire de l'infiltration quoi.
Location marked on your Q-lens.
Oh look, more target practice.
How thoughtful of them.
Après, j'ai envie de dire, normalement, avec les feux d'artifice, les autres doivent pas entendre grand chose. Ça suffit, voilà. Et j'ai rien d'autre. Et merde, c'est verrouillé. Là c'est blockade. Ok, cool. Oh, c'est dur là. Monsieur Bond, c'est dur. Je bonde.
Lorca's on the move. Location marked on your Q-lens.
Oh look, more target practice.
How thoughtful of them.
Voilà. J'ai tué un intello. Ok. Je récupère des balles quand même parce que bon. Bonne chance. Je crois qu'il s'est fait calmer. Ah le bâtard, en fait il l'avait giga bien lancé quoi. Ok. Ah, fait chier. Ouais, mais non, mais les mecs blindés, c'est trop compliqué à tuer. Hein. Surtout avec l'arme qu'on a, là. Ça... Alors, ça fonctionne, hein, c'est pas la question. C'est une arme qui tue, mais... faudrait mieux, quoi. Ouais, faudrait mieux.
James, Lorca's on the move. Location marked on your Q lens.
Oh, look. More target practice.
How thoughtful of them.
Le mec a quand même couru à découvert comme un putain de poulet sans tête et il surprend peut-être... Il était surpris d'avoir pris un headshot bien sale. Fuck. Il est pas bien charmant, hein. Il me reste une balle. Eh, quelqu'un sort une grenade là. Au secours! Au secours, mon double bébé! Il y avait un mec qui s'est cassé là. Et il se barre. Ça marche mieux au cac! Tiens, enfoiré! Ok. Teresa, les gros tétés, aidez. Oh. Gauche, droite. Tout droit, devant. Résistant, hein. Nos morts silencieux.
This is cozy.
J'ai tué ton frère.
Now I'll take yours slowly.
Careful, it's hot. Get special.
Tiens. Enfoiré. Salut princesse. T'as rêvé de moi?
Swan?
I love the dress.
It's for from the gift shop.
Shall we?
There!
Bah alors, t'as une belle gueule, mon chou. Ah. Ah, le combat au corps à corps, c'est vraiment ce qu'il y a de meilleur dans ce jeu, hein, par contre. Hein. Oh merde! J'étais en train de bourrer comme un con. Non, par contre, le cas qui est trop satisfaisant dans ce putain de jeu. Regardez, il a l'air d'aller se faire foutre.
Your brother for me.
Greg. Dis bonjour à ton frère de ma part parce que tu vas en enfer avec lui. J'ai tué les deux.
James. James, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh non, encore une soirée BDSM. Du coup, c'est la fin d'une mission. On se retrouve à la prochaine YouTube. À tout de suite.